Hey everyone, I hope you're doing all right in Unit 4 so far. We are going to use this video to get over the text analysis assignment. I'm going to be showing you the assignment from the printable worksheet, but again, the printable worksheet is only for your notes, and I need the quiz version for grading. So the text analysis is similar to the argument analysis in the fact that you're taking the work and analyzing it for specific points. The difference is what we're trying to get at the information per se. The first one was to get the argument analysis to get the argumentative pieces. Here we're analyzing specific elements for their effectiveness. So the early questions are just basic questions about the article, title, author, main idea, primary target audience, an organizational method. So like, are they using paragraphs, bullet points? Are they using a specific paragraph style, like compare in one and contrast in the other, or compare and contrast in both? Are they using a listing format, like they're listing the problems in order? Are they using a summary technique, a narrative? Is there a chronological feel to it? You know, that kind of stuff. Then there's the analysis information. So why is the topic important? So why is the topic of the article important? What is its significance to our culture today? List 3 types of stylistic language, jargon, connotation, cliches, figurative language that you see in there. Jargon is workplace and content area specific language. So things that you hear like in a hospital, like stat, MLs, and all of that. Things that you only talk about in English, like figurative language, cliches, and connotations. So all that stuff. And then connotations is the feeling the words give off. Is it negative or positive, or is it kind of neutral? Cliches are old, overtired, used phrases such as water under the bridge, every cloud has a silver lining, and figurative language, which is metaphors and similes. You want to identify them and then explain their impact on the tone of the message. So, you know, having that workplace specific content, how does that affect the general reader? You know, connotations, what if it's the feeling the words give off, how does that affect the tone? Cliches, you know, what are they avoiding by using cliches? What do they mean to say? And figurative language, you know, how does that connect to the average reader? All right, and then the next question is, how does the evidence, data, examples, interviews impact the credibility of the author and or article? So the information you see, does it make them credible or not credible? All right, now find an inference. So an inference is not something the author say. If you take a sentence from the of a paragraph and put it here, that's not an inference. An inference is something the author doesn't say but implies. And what is the importance of that implication? Next is, what questions might a reader still have after reading this article, and what could the author have done to eliminate or better answer those questions? And that's all you have to do. Just remember, this worksheet is for your notes. I say when you're reading the article the second time around, you know, take your notes specifically on this analysis questions, and then you'll have everything prepared when you need to go take the text analysis quiz version. All right, if you have any questions, please email me, and if you don't know a certain word, you know, feel free to look it up. There are some resources in the Unit 4 announcements, but if you are stuck on something that's not in the references, you can just Google it or email me and I'll give you an explanation. All right, enjoy the rest of your day.